It's okay to be poor as long as we're happy. Yan ang naalala ko sa sinasabi ng father ko. Na-bankrupt kasi ang business namin kaya napilitan siyang bumalik sa pagtuturo para makapag-aral kami sa private school. Hand to mouth ang buhay namin and for many years, hindi kami nakapagpatahi ng bagong damit. Kasi wala pang RTW noon. Lalo na't ukay-ukay wala pa rin. So malungkot kami and so para mapasaya niya kami, my father would always say this. Sabi niya, it's okay to be poor as long as we are a happy family. Tama naman, di ba? Sinabihan din ba kayo ng ganyan ng parents ninyo? If so, listen up. Dahil sa line na yon, lumaki pala ako with the subconscious belief na the poor are happy and if I will be rich, I will be unhappy. Hindi ko alam yon. Kaya pala for years, dumanas ako ng napakaraming financial difficulty. Kahit na kumita kami ng medyo malaki-laki, nawawala lang at nababaon pa rin kami sa utang. It was in the 3-day Millionaire Mind Intensive event that I discovered this disempowering belief. Doon ko din natutunan how to change this belief. So if you are having problems with money and you have been working hard just like me, but you are not seeing results, it could be an unconscious belief. Discover what it is. Ask me how below.